Well, welcome back to the channel. Got Evan here, he's helping me video. We are going to wrap up our Arizona footage in this episode.
Welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're with us in this episode. We're gonna finish our Arizona trip. Please like and subscribe. Enjoy the video. Don't forget like and subscribe.
We are in Tombstone, Arizona, walking down the boardwalk underneath the porches in the historic town of Tombstone, Arizona.
Two $40 a night bordel rooms, and you can see that poker table. And that poker table at the bottom of the stairs, that was the side of the West's longest game. It went round the clock, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You had to have your name on a waiting list at the bar if you wanted into the game. And it is in the Guinness Book of World Records, because that poker game downstairs lasted 8 years, 5 months, and 3 days straight.
original boards. He said this is the only building on the street that's still the original building. There's the stage. These 3 bullet holes were made by a drunken cowboy who one night shot at an actor. The shots missed and lodged here just below the stage. Oh my gosh, that's crazy.
We're on the stage. This is what it looked like from the stage out into the saloon.
Now, to the right, if you go to the top of that red rock and move to the right, take one big step down, you'll see Snoopy Rock. You'll see Snoopy laying on his back with his feet up in the air. You see it? Yeah.
Say thanks for joining us. We really appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That would really help us out. We'd really appreciate it. We're getting ready to go on the road on our big trip, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yep, so tag along, and we're getting ready to start our adventures full time.
Hey,
Yep.
I was talking to him.
Okay. Tell them hey, what?
I got a new toy out
You got
on a trip. I got a new toy at the trip.
At the trip. All right.
Thanks for watching.
Please like and subscribe.
Please like and subscribe. I can't do that.
Say like and subscribe. Just take your time.
Like and subscribe.
There you go.
Don't forget to get busy living.